Question. Hi, everyone. I'm starting from scratch with no experience in GoHighLevel or WordPress, and my main goal is to generate leads for my roofing company. Does the Semantic Mastery course address how to effectively structure GoHighLevel for lead generation? Yes. And yes, I did answer this last week. And 100%. We have full SOPs specifically for how to build local lead generation sites in HighLevel. Soup to nuts, guys. Like start to finish. There is no stone left unturned, guys. Like, I don't know if anybody knows this, but the training that I do is not partial training. It's full SOPs. It's very, very detailed. I'm going to show you the LLG site deployment SOP right here as an example. This is it, guys. Like this is, it talks about how to create the sub account, how to add the custom domain, how to enable the workflows, which will significantly increase the, which by the way, the workflows are enabled. This is just for, in some cases, when deploying a sub account, they will be disabled. And this, but anyway, long story short, the whole snapshots and everything are all built out with 100% full training, step-by-step training on how to do all of this. Does that make sense? How to do pull and deploy them, how to set them up, how to do everything to make it efficient so that it's duplicatable. You can scale this type of a service very quickly because you can deploy these sites at, very, very quickly, over and over and over again using the same template. So all this stuff is taught in the mastermind specifically for how to do it. And yes, I use HighLevel websites as my preferred website builder. As I already mentioned earlier, I can't stand WordPress anymore. So all of that is part of the Semantic Mastery Mastermind training. The SOPs are all available. The snapshots are all available. Everything is there the moment that you join. Okay. Additionally, is it necessary for me to learn WordPress? No. You can rely solely on HighLevel. Yep. And that's what I would recommend you do. Don't clutter your brain with, and don't spend time learning something that's unnecessary. Spend your time figuring out how to generate more revenue for your business. Learning WordPress isn't going to do that. You have a HighLevel site builder. So go out and learn how to market your services to whatever roofing industry. That's what your industry is, right? You should be focusing on how to generate a lead from roofing, how to generate leads from roofing contractors for your services, how to sell them on whatever offerings you want to, products or services you want to sell them on, and then how to fulfill those products or services in a scalable way. So productizing them or finding fulfillment providers that have productized them so that they can be fulfilled in a scalable way. That's what's going to generate the revenue. Not learning how to optimize WordPress when you already have a site builder that is perfectly suitable for this model. Does that make sense? So focus on the revenue generating activities. And when you generate the revenue, then you'll be able to get that other shit done, right? The fulfillment and everything else. But again, guys, focus on the revenue generating activities. Learning the next SEO tactic is not what's going to generate revenue. Yeah, you might still have to get results and all that for your clients. I get that. But there's ways to do that without you spending your time learning the next SEO tactic that isn't going to help because you're likely not going to implement it properly for all your clients anyways. You know what I mean? Now, I'm not picking on this one individual or anybody specifically on the call. I'm just stating, like, where are your priorities focused? And just, focus on the revenue generating activities first. Because when you have the money coming in, it makes it easier to solve problems for your business, your clients' businesses, etc. Right? It's a lot easier to solve problems and get results when you have revenue than it is to do it 100% on your own, where you're the one doing all the work because you don't have the revenue to pay other people to do it for you. If that's clear. All right. So yes, we have all that training available. Come join the mastermind, Ramon. You won't regret it.